Hi, I'm Sam. I'm an art and mindset tutor, and I wanted to talk about something that I'm really excited about. I'm going to be opening the doors of my online membership very shortly. This membership was really born out of trying to work out all of the things that make me feel better or have made me feel better over the last few years, and I'll try and explain what I mean by that. Us artists and creatives are generally quite sensitive people. We tend to be overthinkers. We tend to feel things really deeply. And so, you know that feeling, you get that kind of knot in your stomach, an anxiety feeling, a stressed feeling, you've got a tight chest, your heart is beating. So I thought about all of the things that I do to make myself feel better and to alleviate some of those symptoms. I take a hot bath, I meditate, I talk to my family and friends, I make sure I eat and drink properly, I do some Pilates or yoga. All of these things make me feel better and create more of a sense of calmness. But the main thing that I do is I make art. I just have found that this has been my salvation over the last few years especially. I'm a mum of two, life is really busy, and my art is definitely my happy place. So I wanted to create this membership where I could not only help you to fast track your learning with your art, I want to do long tutorials to really show you what I'm doing as I'm doing it, completely real time, in different mediums, different subject matters to really fast track your learning. I'm going to be doing regular Q&As, I'm going to be doing mindset work, which is really important to create that mindfulness, positivity, and change those horrible mind monkeys that we get, to turn it around so that you are much more able to deal with all of life's issues and problems. If we're coming from a positive mindset, then these things are so much easier to deal with. I'm also going to be talking about how to build your art business if that's something that you want to do, how to make a little bit of extra money from your art, how to make this a really fulfilling, creative, inspirational new hobby that you've got, something to slow you down. That's what it is for me. It calms my mind, it creates mindfulness, and it makes me feel so much better. This membership, I wanted to have all of this kind of positivity ingrained in the thread of it, all of these different aspects coming together to make you feel good. That's what it's all about, making you feel better. Do you suffer with comparing yourself to other artists? Do social media make you feel a bit flat sometimes? All of these things I want to talk about. I'm going to put a Pilates video in, or yoga, just to help ease the tension that we get from anxiety and stress, and to alleviate the aches and pains that you get sitting at a desk or an easel all the time. I'm going to be doing a visualization or meditation video. I'm also going to be introducing a very private Facebook group so that you have people to talk to if you need to about art, like-minded people, find inspiration, talk about the things that make you feel good. If you're feeling a bit low, they can pick you back up again. So there's going to be that too. I'm going to be very active in this membership. This is my passion. I really want to make a difference and help as many people as I can. I'm going to be opening the doors in my Facebook group, Artist Community, to begin with. It's going to be a lower rate, a founder's rate. And the great thing about a founder's rate is that actually you've got more of an opportunity to tell me what you need. I can tailor it. I'm definitely going to be listening to what you're saying and adding new bits or taking things away. You have the opportunity to help me create this membership that is really going to be tailored to you. I'm so excited about launching this. It's going to be very, very soon. If you click the link, then it will take you through to lots more information about it. If there's anything that you would like to know, please feel free to ask, and I can't wait to get started and see you over there. Lots of love. I hope you're well, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.